Universal's Islands of Adventure. We're gonna go check out Jurassic Park. I am so stoked. This land is absolutely beautiful and we're gonna go check it out. Over here we have King Kong, the Skull Island. I don't think it's considered in Jurassic Park. I'm still not sure. But this ride is located like right inside Jurassic Park. We have Thunder Falls, which is their quick serve here. Over here we have Petrodon Flyers, which is up there. An interesting fact about this ride, which I'm not a huge fan of. You need to have a child with you. The child has to be under 56 inches. And if you're over 56 inches, you need a child. You can't just go on the ride, which is kind of a bummer because it's a fun little ride. Put a comment below what you think about that. Over here you have the playground over here, which is closed at the moment. Over here, this is, I believe it's called Jurassic Park River Adventure. It's basically a calm boat ride for the most part, like until the very end where there's an 85-foot drop. So be warned, if you don't like drops, this is not the ride that you want to go on. Right here we have the Velociraptor roller coaster that is being built. I don't think it's been officially announced yet, but it's being built as we speak. It's really coming along. I believe 2021 it's supposed to be done. But oh my gosh, this is gonna be a really, really intense ride when this opens up. Put a comment below. Would you do this ride? We have right at this area the Raptor Encounter, which is super fun. You can either meet the little new raptor, which her name is Sierra, or you can meet Blue.
Hello there.
Hello, cutie.
You hear that, Sierra? They're here to see you.
Look, can you say hi to everybody? Hi.
She's so excited today.
She's so cute.
This is great. Do you want to grab a photo together?
Yeah. We have a pizza quick serve over here. Some games over here. Burger Digs, which is their second quick serve here. So that was Jurassic Park. I think it is such an interesting land. So if you haven't yet, I would absolutely love if you could subscribe. If you can hit the notification bell, please go share this with your friends and family. Put a comment below. What was your favorite part of Jurassic? Thank you for watching. Your vacation is up.